Good evening. An Ottawa mother is speaking out tonight as the criminal trial into her son's death gets underway. 20-year-old Nick Chenier was electrocuted while trimming hedges around hydro lines in Manotick in 2023. And now Chenier's supervisor is on trial. CTV's Katie Griffin was in court today and joins us now with the details. Katie.
Patricia, Stephen Deans has pleaded not guilty to criminal negligence causing death. Nick Chenier's mother took the stand today, describing that soon after dropping off a sandwich for her son to have for lunch, she learned someone had been hurt trimming hedges from a local Facebook group.
He was a very adventurous, very comical, amazing young man.
It's been an excruciating 2 years for Jennifer Chenier.
Losing a child is the worst thing imaginable. It's been a really tough battle.
Her son Nick Chenier was just 20 years old when he was electrocuted on the job in May 2023 and died. He was trimming a 6-meter hedge at a home in Manotick when the hedge trimmer came into contact with the 16,000-volt power line. Stephen Deans, who was Chenier's supervisor at Best Green Hedges, is on trial for criminal negligence causing death. The Crown alleges Deans failed to identify or warn Chenier about the danger of the hydro wires and showed a reckless disregard for his safety. There was no conceivable safe, permissible, or legal manner by which Nick could have trimmed the top of that hedge, Crown attorney Ann Fitzpatrick told court. Nick was working perilously in the prohibited distance to the power line that killed him, doing the work he was directed to do by his supervisor, work he never should have been directed to do. Deans has pleaded not guilty. In a statement, his lawyers say, "We would urge everyone watching this tragic case unfold to keep an open mind until all the evidence is heard."
This was the first time in the city of Ottawa that a criminal negligence causing death charge has been laid against an employer or supervisor for an individual that has died at work.
Chenier's mother and a police officer took the stand on Monday, along with a neighbor who performed CPR on Chenier. She testified there was a lot of crying. Most of the crew that had been working were quite distraught. It was very sad. Chenier's mom says she's turning her pain into purpose.
This is my promise to my son. I want to be an advocate for him to raise a lot of awareness of workplace safety, making sure that everybody's family members come home at the end of the day safe. That's what I'm going to bring with me from this, and I know that's something he would want me to do.
Last year, the owner of Best Green Hedges pleaded guilty to one of the non-criminal charges laid by the Ministry of Labor. This trial in front of a judge alone is expected to last 3 weeks.